Hello, 7th graders. I'll show you how to access Gale in context. The first thing you want to do is get to the Byron Middle School webpage. You can do this by heading just to the big Byron Public Schools webpage. Select our school, pull it down to Byron Middle School. At the top of the Byron Middle School page, there is a tab for Student Life. Open that, slide on down to the BMS Media Center. On the Media Center page, the top option is eLibrary Minnesota. We're almost there. In the center, you have access to a lot of databases, and some of them are very good. Today, I will show you Gale in Context. Go ahead and click the G. Gale in Context is fabulous because you can access it at middle school level. This means things that we can read and understand. So here we are at the main page of Gale in Context. Go ahead, bookmark this to your favorites so that you can access it easily. Similar to any search engine, you can type your topic right into the search bar. I'll see what I can find out about a man named Neil Armstrong. He was an American astronaut and an aeronautical engineer who was known for being the first person to step foot on the moon's surface. So, brief snapshot summary given at the top of the page for Neil Armstrong. And right below, you'll find that Gale in Context has 12 references for me to research, 22 biography options, 46 images, even one primary source. So all of these are credible and available to you. Also, one of my favorite features is that these articles or images or sources often have a citation created for you. So when it comes time to make your bibliography, you can access the copy and paste feature of taking this and putting it on your bibliography. Of course, remember we use MLA, always the most current edition, just like a software update. So we're currently in the MLA 9th edition. I'm sure in your lifetime you'll see the 10th and so on. So the citation generator looks like these little quotation marks on sources in Gale in Context, and you can use them for your bibliography. Another thing to know is when you are on your iPads, remember that there are some features on the back side when you see a long article like this and you might not feel like reading on your iPad. You can print this to our Media Center. You can download it into a file. You could email it to yourself for later. If reading it just isn't on your list of to-do items today, and you'd rather listen to it, remember that in the back settings of your iPad, you can do the enable dictation or voiceover to let your iPad read it to you. Of course, it'll be like one of those more automated voices like Siri or something, but again, it's going to read it to you, and that can be very helpful to help with reading comprehension. So, again, Gale in Context, it's fantastic. Get in, play around, and you will find lots of resources for your topics.